crafty friends, today I'm going to talk you through how to attach, slice and weld in Cricut Design Space. Let's go! Okay, so I'm going to talk you through attach, slice and weld. Let's get started with attach. This lives down the bottom here on the right hand side underneath your layers panel, and it's this paperclip button here. So we use this if we want to put two pieces onto our cutting mat in exactly a place we've chosen. So for these two circles, I really like where they are and I want them to cut there exactly. So I'm going to select them both and then click that paper clip to attach them. And now, as you can see, they're together as one. So we can move them around the mat. But also if we head to make it, scroll down to find them, we can see that they are in exactly the same position on the cutting mat, ready for me to cut. So remember, attach basically means that we are putting a paper clip in something to carry it over into the make screen. Next up, let's look at weld. So I've got two hearts here, a pink heart and a red heart, and I'd like this to be one shape. So I don't want them as two hearts, I want them as one heart shape. So I'm going to select both of them and head down to weld down here, this little square and circle button. Click that, and as you can see, they weld together to make one shape. So we can now drag, resize, rotate that, and that's going to cut as one shape. So that's weld. Next up, we've got slice. This is one of my favourite tools in Design Space. So we've got a big heart, so we've got a big star, and we've got a little star. And I'd like to cut the little star out of the big star. So I'm going to pop it exactly where I want it to be, on top of the big star. Select them both and grab the slice button down here, which is this one that looks like a slice of pizza has fallen out of the box. So click that one. And as you can see, our sidebar's changed. We've got a few options now. We can take some of these away. So let's remove the blue star, remove the darker blue star, and now you can see we're left with our sliced out image. We can also use this to edit shapes. So let's grab a heart. And let's say we only want half of the heart. I'm also going to grab a square. And I'm going to lay that square on top of the heart. Line it up exactly where I want it. Again, select them both and slice. And again, you can see I'm now left with two halves of a heart. I can get rid of that one if I want, or I can now cut two halves of the heart. I hope that helped you figure out attach, slice and weld on Cricut Design Space. Please follow me for more Cricut videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!